Percent problems. To find the percent one number is of another, use this proportion. The percent of 100 equals to is of the number. Technology application. Heather is downloading a file from the internet. So far, she has downloaded 75% of the file. If 30 minutes have passed since she started, how long will it take her to download the rest of the file? So using the proportion before, you write it as 75% of 100 is the same as 30 of what number? So using three simple rule, you will write it as 30 times 100 divided by 75, or 100 times 30 divided by 75. Here you can simplify, divided by 25, this one will be 3 and this one will be 4. So you still can divide this 3 with this 30, and you will have 10 times 4 divided by 1, so that equals to 40. So 40 is the total time. So the time needed to download the entire file is 40 minutes. If 30 minutes have passed so far, the remainder time is 10 minutes. That means you subtract 40 minus 30. Now multiplying to find a percent of a number. Find 20% of 150. To find the percent from a number, you have to first convert the percent to a decimal, that would be 0.2, and then multiply by 150. So you do the multiplication, and it will be 150 times 0.2. And you add the decimal point, so that will be 30. Number 2, find 5% of 90. Again, you first change the percent to decimal, that will be 0.05. And then you multiply 90 times 0.05. So you do the multiplication. You count the decimal places, so the answer will be 4.5. Number 3, find 36% of 50. Again, you first change the percent to a decimal, so it will be 0.36, and then you multiply 0.36 times 50. So you do the multiplication. You add, and you count decimal places, so the answer will be 18. And the last one, it's find 17% of 95. So same step, you change the percent to decimal, and then you multiply 95 times 0.17. So you do the multiplication as you wish. You can put on the top the number or the decimal, and you do the multiplication. It's 3. You add, and you count decimal places, so the answer will be 16.50. And this is what you're going to have to do for this lesson. You're going to have to find percent of numbers. So you need to do the multiplication in each of the problems. Any question you have, you can send me a message. Don't forget to do complete process.